Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Amazon review. This one is a new watercolor set, and there are some metallic colors here. So these are the metallic watercolor paints. The glitter set, there's 12 colors that come in this set, and there are also 2 little brushes. And this is the brand Emooqi, which I have reviewed before and really enjoyed their products. There's some colors on the side there as well. It comes in this cute little bag. It has a nice soft velvety feel, almost like a jewelry bag. And these brushes are really cute. I've never seen, these are like a miniature version of the bigger brush pens. And there is 2 different style tips. And I'm just showing there how you can unscrew the barrel portion there and then put it back on. That's where your water goes. And then the second little brush there is more, it's the flat one instead of the pointed tip. So you have both. And then again, that cute little bag to put everything in. This is great for travel. And then we have your standard small black case there with the ring on the back. And then there's 3 mixing wells, the partitions up top. We have 2 different swatching charts there, the black and the white. And when you open them up, they are individually wrapped. Lots of areas to mix your colors there. And you can pull out the entire middle piece if you wanted to, which I'm just going to show here. And the edges are nice, smooth, and round. There is nothing pokey or sharp at all. And here I'm just taking off it's almost like a sticker when you're trying to peel these off. And then it does have the names of the colors on them as well, which is nice. That's a step up from the other palette. They were not wrapped and didn't have little names and everything on. So they're definitely improving with their packaging here. And I have a quick little speed through, and then I'm going to get into some of the swatches. And for the colors, we have purple, deep purple, fruit green, blue, copper brown, red rose, red, wine red, orange, gold, yellow, and pearl silvery white. And then just a little bit of information here that I got from their site is that they are non-toxic, odorless, quick-drying paints, ideal for shimmer effect and highlights. Good transparency, great for black or white paper, and that was about it. Some of the stuff I already mentioned, like the little tin that it comes in, the mixing brushes, great for travel, and great for adults as well as children. And right there I am doing 1 layer first that you will be able to see, and then off camera I went ahead and did a second layer as well, so you can see the colors are a lot more vibrant and with the second pass. And I do have a close-up coming right up here. So you can see the variation in the colors between the black and the white, and then the shimmer effect. And there you go. You can see how those golds up top look really pretty. That some of that red and blue is interesting. And then that one color is almost like a little watermelon. There are definitely some unique colors in here. And then you can see the difference on the white paper there. Overall, for first impressions, I think that these came out really nice. I think they're definitely fun to play around with. And I know I do a lot of florals, but you can certainly use them for a wide variety of things. And then I wanted to show, these are bigger swatches on a separate sheet of watercolor paper. It's 140-pound cold press paper here. Overall, I think these are a very fun and great set for beginners and those who just like maybe something a little bit extra for your watercolors. And the price point is $14.99, and I will leave a link in the description down below if anybody is interested. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will have an upcoming tutorial using these soon.